Look at what the Dollar Tree has today. Now, I wouldn't be buying these for myself. I have no use for them. But they have good names, very good names. And as you can see, they're $1.25. Oh no. Look at that. Now that's something that I might be interested in. But I don't really like the soft. But I'm not going to lie, the soft does clean your teeth very much. Uh, so that may be something oh, that's going to be definitely going to be on my Christmas. I'm looking for some. That's. Oh, let's see what this is. Removes and prevents surface stains. Oh, this is for the teeth. Yeah, of course. Look what aisle I'm in. This little boy over here is not doing his job. He's about to get fired. He's about to get fired. Look at him on the job with his cell phone. Yep, he's getting fired. Okay, Xavier, I need something. One of those things to go into my shoe. I don't know where to find it at. They have some stuff in here for her. They got some nice stuff. I'm not gonna lie, Dollar Tree done upgraded. And that stuff is good, honey. Don't be coming in here looking for no Tylenol, though. Tylenol is nobody's friend. Okay. Oh, okay. We have to get one of these waters. I'm looking for one of those things to go inside. This would be nice for some home decor or craft. I can never find anything over here in the baby section so I can practice on it with my iron. As soon as they get it here, it's out. Xavier, don't push that cart in my heel, okay? Okay, we're gonna have to, okay, we don't need no hair supplies. So let's not pretend that I got no hair, that I have hair, because I don't have any. Definitely not finding what I'm looking for. Okay, I really like this. If you haven't purchased this paper is great for crafters. This is some high-end paper in there. You must get that. Okay, this store is filthy. I should just leave. This don't make no kind of sense. I don't want to shop like this. But the reason why I'm going to stay, because this looked like the corner where I come out my garage. But they got some more stuff. Okay, I do want to make some muffins. I do want some muffins, so I'm going to get this right here. I love these muffins. I'm going to get those. That's not what I came in here for. See, this boy is not doing his job. He's fired. He's fired. Now, let me show you something. If you happen to find this detergent with bubbles, not just water, but bubbles right there, that's the best detergent you're going to find. But I'm not able to find it. But if you take one of these and mix it with Awesome, just a little bit of Awesome, you basically have Dawn dish detergent. Because that dish detergent is A+. People don't think it is because those are the people that need bubbles. And that's the only thing is missing is bubbles. Now, they do have some green tea, I see. But I never did get green tea from here. Coffee is hard to find. Coffee is hard to find. But I could use some milk. Could use some milk. Okay. You're on video if you go this way. Thank you. So we're going to put some milk in our muffins. Oh my goodness. I will not lie. I don't need hot sauce, but this is I love this hot sauce. And they have a nice big jar. I'm not going to lie. I do want to get it. But let me see if I can find a dessert. Something that I can make other than, but let's look over here. Now, I love these seasonings for $1.25, but I'm not sure. This says lemon juice. I'm sure concentrate, lemon 100% with added ingredients. I don't know if I should get that or not, but someone's going to tell me. Guess who it is? Yes, it is me. Garlic powder, coarse salt. We don't want any of that. Oh, let me tell you something. I don't want to ruin anyone's meal. I love these, but I will never eat them again. I saw how it's made. Oh no, nope. I won't be eating that. Now, if I get something from out of here, I can get some fetch points. But I kinda don't want anything out of there. So we're gonna disregard the fetch points, and I'm gonna go to the section that I should be at. It's not this section though, but it might be in here. It might be the next one though. This place is filthy. Good grief. Oh my goodness. Look, Xavier. I was just looking for these. Because guess who took mine to her house? Wow. Look at these. And they're nice and thick too. I can wear these. Baby, watch my ankle, honey. You don't have to move every time I move. Oh, look at these, Xavier. Look at these. I just saw these. But you know, if we get these from the other location. Xavier, do me a favor. Back the card up when you hear people say, excuse me. Just back it up because you don't know if they... Come this way, Xavier. Come on. Come on. Let's go this way. Okay. I wish I could find this in black. I need something to wear in my house. My heels are killing me. But I refuse to get pink. I am not in any way, shape, or form looking to get pink. Xavier, these are the shoes we just saw around the block for $12.99. And these are the shoes you were looking for. Yeah, but can you pick that up for me, baby? We don't want to leave them. Are you really telling me that the only one they have is pink? This is the only thing they have is pink? Oh, jingles. Okay, let's get this. I need these to wear in my house. I don't want pink. Okay, let's go to the register. This place is too crowded. You'll find us soon. Oh, I am definitely going to look into crafting that. Xavier, come here, sweetie. Come here, sweetie. Come on. I gotta. Wait. I have to hope and pray nothing run past my ankle. If something run past my ankle, y'all are gonna see a disaster out here. Oh my gosh, please don't let nothing run past my ankle. Boys and girls, you're not gonna believe what I've been looking for. I actually found it in the Dollar Tree. And I'm so sad because I did not want to come in here and find more stuff, but I actually found something I need, but I need 2 of them. So I might as well get it now while I have it. And let me see. So I can take you in there. Hello there, girl.
So you want to get tanked up?
Yes, you will. But you know where I'm going to be tomorrow, most likely? 4th Avenue. You see what the vegetable market is? That space right there.
Basket?
No, I'm not doing baskets. I'm doing my cards and I have some bags, but I'm here now looking for some shelving for that right there.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Good night. Okay. Xavier, here you go, baby. Let me see you put it in your back pocket now. Let me turn around. Let me see. Oh, wait. Okay. Now move in front of the cart. No, leave the cart there. Put your body in front, right there. Now hold your hand. I'll be right back. Excuse me. Thank you. Okay. They got the best store. Okay. Now here goes these right here. That's what I need for underneath my bathroom sink. I'm gonna have to get 2 of them, although I may end up using it for something else, but they are definitely sturdy. Don't need to come in the store if you can't stand up with your wobbling self. Xavier, back up off those people, honey. Come back here. All the way back. Stay right there. Don't stand next to people. Oh, that's your... Xavier, were you... Okay, come behind him, baby. Sit right there. Don't get on people's heel, okay?
Okay, I'm just gonna go.
Iced tea or lemon? Now, if y'all notice, this Dollar Tree is packed with goodies, and I'm going too fast because I might see something I want for myself. There's oh my goodness, these are absolutely to die for. But no, I'm not gonna get any. I'm not trying. I'm trying to lose me a few pounds. Oh my goodness gracious, these are delicious. Oh wow. Ooh, I might have to get these. Oh yeah, I might have to get these. I'm so sorry. Okay, little boy wanting lemonade, and there is no lemonade. There's a fruit punch. I don't know if he drinks it or not, but I know what I want. From time to time, I have to come in here and get me a sweet tea. I came in here for a storage item for my, but I can't find it. I can't find anything that I need. But you know how creative my mind is. I'm going home.
Get away from me. You always in back of me. I get
Oh, jeez. Oh, I can't come outside. It's terrible. Excuse me. Thank you so much. Here you go. You're welcome. You okay with fruit punch?
Yeah.
Xavier, look at the ground, baby. Look at the ground. I think before they put out more stuff, they should tidy up what they already have. It's kind of a tragedy. They actually got some decent names in here, but it is too much. It's not too much of a good thing. Some of these items.
No.
I like to get a snack.
No, what happened?
No, yeah. Now, who is going to deny that this is not cute?
No.
This is absolutely beautiful. And the doll baby is not a cheap one, and it looks like a Bratz. It looks like a Bratz doll. Thank you.